Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I installed this closure wig unit that I custom made myself. The hair that I will be using in this video is Isee Hair Beauty. And this video will not be sponsored, so Isee, if you see a girl, make sure y'all holler at me. I also meant to mention that I did layer my hair off camera, but if y'all want a more detailed tutorial on how I layer my hair, then just comment below. But until then, we're going to get straight into it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing.
When curling your hair, you want to make sure you curl away from your face all over your hair so your curls can flow in the same direction.
How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Together, get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I did have to go back in a couple of times to cut my hair in the front just because you want to make sure you face framing your curls. And, you know, sometimes you have to go back in and cut just so you can get that desired look.
Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go?
Okay, y'all, that's all for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, quick and easy on how I do my closure wig installs. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on what you would like to see next. Thank you.
Baby, at last till my body's so